How's it going, guys? Matt's RV here. Today we're doing something not RV related at all. I am going to be putting an AWE catback exhaust, the track edition one, so it doesn't have the extra resonator or muffler. AWE track exhaust for my GR Corolla. I've already got it lifted up in the air. I took a few videos before I put the exhaust on. Hopefully they come out alright. This microphone there. So, it's the stock exhaust. This is what it looks like. Out on the car, it's a little bit dirty. She was sitting for a few weeks. So, I'll get to opening up the box so you can see. And see the exhaust. And then I'll get to install. Alright, I got the original exhaust off. Got the AWE track exhaust unboxed. And you got they got a little mounting plate here for the exhaust flat, so you can bolt it on and plug it in, so you don't get any kind of codes or engine lights. So tips for it, pretty massive tips. Hardware and stuff for tools. Right, the left and right pieces, and of course your track mid pipe. I guess you can get the track one or the, I don't know, street one. I guess it's muffled. So here's the original exhaust. Came off super easy. You can see this is where your valve is. That's where that little electrical piece we put on that exhaust come from. It's just got the 5 hangers here, 1 hanger here, and it's 2 14mm bolts, I believe. Right, you can see up there those 2 14mm bolts right there. So following along with the instructions, it says to install this piece here first. So it says to take these 2 provided bolts and that piece and loosely bolt it up. Put the exhaust hanger on and use the original springs to go with these bolts for the exhaust. And yeah, I'll try and record that. And alright, the next step is to put the CC on. So you gotta put this side on first. Alright, the next step is put these ones on. Kind of the same thing as we did with the last one with the provided clamps. So let's do that now. size of that? I don't know, that gotta be at least 4 inches. That's a massive tip. Both black, gloss, looks very nice.
They love it when I turn up the bass.